Welcome to Truck World, your ultimate destination for the most powerful and fascinating machines on the planet. Today, we're diving into the world of the fastest firewood processing machines and giant chainsaws in action. Get ready for a jaw-dropping display of strength and precision that will blow your mind. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an epic moment from Truck Titans. Let's get started. In today's video, we'll be witnessing the action of the Komatsu 931XC and C144, massive machines tackling trees attacked by beetles and beetle trees. These two pieces of equipment are top of the line in the forestry industry, designed to handle and process damaged trees quickly and efficiently with their impressive power and precision. The Komatsu 931XC and C144 aren't just great for logging, but also essential in managing trees affected by pests. Designed to chip large branches and trunks with hands. This machine is essential in the wood industry and forest management. The Cobra Machine 590 is equipped with a powerful shipping system featuring sharp blades capable of handling wood trees, top branches, and efforts. Its automated operation optimizes the chipping process, reducing time and labor. Not only is it incredibly powerful, but its design allows for remarkable We're witnessing an incredible wood processing procedure as a massive log is being sawed into precise 20-inch by 20-inch pine timber. This process is crucial in the woodworking industry, requiring both accuracy and the strength of industrial sawmill equipment. The process begins with a large log being fed to the saw system, equipped with ultra-sharp blades. This saw is built with advanced technology, effortlessly slicing through thick pine logs to ensure that the resulting timber is perfectly sized and top-notch quality. Watch how this saw works its magic, transforming the log into perfect 20-inch by 20-inch pine timber pieces, ready for construction and woodworking applications. For heavy-duty tasks like clearing land and removing trees in road construction and infrastructure projects. The Doosan 300 road builder is equipped with specialized tools for both tree removal, stumping, and clearing brush and debris brushing along areas where roads are being built. With its impressive power and maneuverability, this machine easily tackles large trees and tough vegetation, creating a clean, prepared surface for the next phases of construction. Watch the Doosan 300 road builder in action as it performs these precise and powerful tasks, making land clearing more efficient, saving time and cost on large-scale construction projects. After undergoing the CAT-certified rebuild program, is no ordinary machine. It's a true beast of construction. Once an aging workhorse, it has been completely transformed. A more powerful engine, tracks that dominate wind tunnel, and advanced technology that optimizes every movement. With its massive size, incredible strength, and unmatched performance, the CAT-11T doesn't just flatten the ground. It conquers even the toughest terrains. This is the machine every construction site needs. A true legend in its own right. Who needs superheroes without the CAT-11T, right?
ārā iekšā it kā esmu bērns, smokciet.
We're taking a closer look at an outstanding piece of machinery in the agricultural sector, the tractor MTZ 82. This versatile tractor is designed to handle tasks, from plowing fields.
Nav jau kur nostāties. Viss ir baigi jau būt.
The tractor MTZ 82LV is equipped with a powerful engine, allowing it to operate efficiently across various terrains, from soft soil to rough land, with its ability to pull and lift heavy loads. This tractor is an essential for tasks like sowing, harvesting, and cultivating. With its robust design and advanced technology, the tractor MTZ 82LV delivers outstanding performance, helping reduce the time and effort needed in challenging agricultural work. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Truck Titans as we explore powerful and massive machines like the chipper truck Cobra HEM 593, Doosan 300 Road Builder, MTZ 82LV, and many more incredible machines working tirelessly on construction sites and farms. If you love these powerful machines and want to see more exciting videos of heavy-duty equipment in action, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from Truck Titans. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next
Principā
video.
pa zariem brauc. Jo te jau kāj. Jā.